Hello from Chengdao Ironman time.
今天能不能有1500？
My second bowl of lunch noodles. Carbo loading mode. Ironman already started, the bikes are ready, equipped with like 1,000 of calories for these guys. Now we go to the half Ironman. My little baby.
Rocky, Rocky Joe, Rocky, 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 Rocky, Rocky Joe, Rocky col suo vecchio che lo vuole grande, lui non fa domande, ma lavora sempre, sempre veramente. Rocky fa paura, Rocky è la natura, come un fiume in piena, niente lancia in piedi, bisogna che...
It's over for hour 51. It's very tough, but ta-da! It was worth. Who is the loser now? I see you next time. Number 2.
Rocky Joe sei grande, Rocky Joe sei forte, Rocky Joe tu vincerai per noi.
Rocky, Rocky, Rocky Joe, Rocky, Rocky, Rocky.